This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 8th, 2023. It's currently March 30th, 2023, 2:35 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file that we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 5:36 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have sideways rotation and ending with a fast sudden move higher. And it looks like there may be something going on with like a male leader in economics, or like between the fourth, fifth, and fourth, fifth, and the eighth. There may be something going on with a male leader in economics that's impacting the market. Behavior around the highest high. We have a decline off of the highest high that offers an opportunity to open up a long position, meaning that we'll see either the high again or we'll see a higher price level the following day, something along those lines. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a sideways S formation within a channel, so we decline from resistance down to support. We do a reversal and retrace all the way back to resistance, and then do another reversal and retrace all the way back to support. It's usually in a channel. Sometimes it's at an angle, sometimes it's horizontal. And I'm advised to trade around the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support. We have a high in the pre-market, and from that high we fall into a prominent trough. Out of that trough, there's sideways rotation and a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of that sideways rotation around the open, and maybe in the first half hour or so. We have another peak or crest around like 9:45, 9:50-ish. I'm advised to be cautious there. We then turn around and we decline to a prominent low, or prominent trough or low for the day there, between roughly 10 and 11 after we decline through multiple support levels. That's followed by a swing. We have another swing here where we turn around between roughly 11 and 12, and we do a rally. After establishing support, we do a rally and then establish support at a higher level. Looks like we have another peak or crest just before noontime, and then we decline again pretty hard. A lot of back and forth going on. We decline again off of a peak or crest there between 12 and 1, and rotate sideways, establishing support at a low that takes place between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock. Out of that low, there's a fast sudden move higher. A lot of ground is covered, and a breakout even somewhere between the hour of 2 and 3. It takes us to another high at the end of the day, where we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance. After establishing support here midday or like early afternoon, it looks like we're going to break through the resistance that we failed to break through earlier in the day. Instead, we decline through key support with a period of volatility around the close that has a sharp drop that'll stand out in that period of volatility. There's a trade opportunity there as well. Looks like a scalp trade at the low around around 2 o'clock, opening a long position, closing that long position towards the end of the day, when we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance. And then in the pre-market or the post-market, we have bumping along resistance as the majority of the behavior. The sneak preview for the following day, an open higher and sound foundation of support that can be relied upon. That's the S&P 500 for May 8th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so at the resource tab of our website here. 5% of the profits back to the channel. Much appreciated for all you angel investors out there. And 5% of the profits pay it forward to one of these charities. Make sure you're following the rule of karma. That'll leave you with 90% to spend out of love. As long as you do that, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. Later.